You turn the key to start your car, ensuring the gear shifter is in park or neutral, but absolutely nothing happens. Or even scarier, the engine roars to life while the transmission is still in gear and the car lurches forward. These are classic signs that you might have a P081D diagnostic trouble code stored in your system. This code is specific to the neutral input circuit, and you will only see this on vehicles with automatic transmissions, such as Land Rovers, Volvos, or Jaguar. The heart of the problem lies in the neutral safety switch, which is sometimes called the shift selector switch. This component has a very critical job. It sends a voltage signal to the transmission control module, or the main engine computer, to confirm that the gears are disengaged so it is safe to start the engine. When this circuit fails, the computer effectively loses track of whether the car is in gear or not. As a safety precaution, it might prevent the car from starting at all, which leaves you stranded. The causes here can range from a dirty or defective switch, which is quite common given where they are located, to shorted wiring or even a programming error in the computer itself. Diagnosing this requires a bit of patience and a good multimeter. First, grab your scan tool and look at the live data. Does the computer see the gear change when you move the shifter? If not, you need to get under there with your meter. You will want to test the voltage at the neutral safety switch connector. Depending on your specific car, you should see battery voltage or a ground signal when the switch is activated. If the voltage is not there, you're looking at a wiring issue. If the power is reaching the switch, but the signal is not coming out, the switch itself is likely toast and needs to be replaced. Always remember to check the simple things first, like loose connectors or corrosion, before you go buying expensive modules. This is a safety issue as much as a mechanical one, so getting it sorted out quickly is the best move to keep you and your car safe.